G'day! So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a bit of a teardown on a PS4 Slim. As we can see, it's a little bit dusty along here, but what it's mainly doing is that this is generally overheating during games, or at least getting very hot. I do suspect it's just a dust build-up, but during gaming it's just getting excessively loud and the odd bit of crashing every now and then. So the current plan is a teardown, a blowout of an air compressor, potentially thermal paste replacement. But let's see how we go. So to begin with, let's get into this machine. Now, it's been a while since I've last tore apart a PS4 Slim. Luckily for me, it's mostly what I remember it being. Just prying in the corners. There we go, that's what I want to see. So now I'm going to go give this a dust blowout and see how we go from there. So I was pretty happy with how much dust come out of this, which I reckon it's going to drop the temperature and also the noise of the machine, which was most noticeable by the customer. So from here I'm just going to proceed to reassemble it. So reassembly is pretty straightforward. We slide it over the back, like so, and then just push around from the sides and work your way around. So that is a quick and easy way to get a bit more life and a bit more quietness from your PS4 Slim. I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.